Hi everyone, this is the first video in the series of distributed systems, and today we'll talk about what is a distributed system, why do we need distributed systems, what are the challenges and the drawbacks. A distributed system is a set of computers or the machines that are communicating with each other, they are coordinating with each other over a network to perform a certain task. There are different types of examples. One is distributed databases. Distributed databases means that we have multiple machines or the servers and data is spread over all of these machines, and it's not stored in one single machine. The second example of distributed systems can be distributed computing, when we are processing a lot of data and we cannot compute all of that on one single machine. In that case, we use different machines to perform or different types of computations and operations on the data. And one example of this is an MR, which is the MapReduce framework. We'll discuss more in detail about the MapReduce in the later videos. Now the third type of example is peer-to-peer file sharing. There are also other examples in the distributed systems that we can check on the internet. Now, why do we need distributed systems? So to achieve parallelism, that means to increase our computation power. And the second reason is the fault tolerance. That means if we have more than one machines and any of the machines went down because of any of the reasons like physical failure, CPU failure, network issues, in that case the other machine can still take the load of the user traffic and can serve users. So that basically helps us in keeping our services available and increases the uptime of the services. The third reason could be, let's say we want to transfer some we want to send some amount of money from one account to the another account, and we can do that via distributed transactions. The fourth reason can be because of the security or the isolation. If we want to keep our services in this server isolated and we want them to communicate with each other only when it's really needed. So it's basically a distributed environment. Everyone has its own set of responsibilities. Now there are different challenges that comes with distributed systems. One of them is the concurrency. The another is the partial failure and the performance. We'll talk about this later in the later sections.